all of us here who want to join hands in order to give you as much knowledge as possible today about de-addiction. Dr. Machuswala's brainchild, he decided that we will have this activity for the entire PG population of Mumbai. So, and not only Mumbai, I can see somebody who's come from Nashik today. So, all the residents who want to join in, we welcome you and also wish you a happy Friendship Day. It happens to be a Friendship Day occasion, and what better example of friendship than the departments of psychiatry, the NGOs, the departments of psychiatry and faculty at private as well as the other academic institutions joining hands for this purpose of education of postgraduate residents. I welcome you, and I also invite Dr. Ajita Nayak, the President of Bombay Psychiatric Society at present for the year 2013-14, and our Professor and Head of the Unit at KM Hospital to give you a welcome address.
Thank you, Dr. Shilpa. For me, it's a great honor as well as a privilege to welcome all of you in such large numbers. The significance of this topic that we have decided, Dr. Machuswala, is that by the number of registrations we've had, normally people on Sunday mornings they say कहाँ family है क्या है आप लोग क्यों programs रख रहे हो Sunday mornings, but nobody has said that. We've had multiple phone calls on can we attend this, and we've had to restrict that, which just shows how important this topic we thought of doing. Dependence or addictions has always been an Achilles heel. I think doctors who've come all the way from AIIMS will definitely agree with me, because we don't have a pill for it. We have antipsychotic for psychosis, we have an antidepressant for depression, an anti-anxiety pill also you can take. But I cannot tell any patient that you take this tablet and your addiction will go away. Yes, we are coming up with new drugs, looking at various mechanisms by which they could act on this problem, but still today we don't have a pill for addiction. So that's why all the more reason for us to have such meetings, such programs, such seminars to discuss how to handle this major issue. And it's not going away. It's like an epidemic. Addiction has always been like an epidemic. What changes is the strain of the virus, that's all. First it was alcohol a long time back, not that it's not there anymore. Then you had brown sugar when I was a resident, I remember, all in full force. And today we have many more different, very designer at times, drugs available. Gutka has come in such a large way. So it's just changing the strain, but it's not going away, the epidemic. Considering this importance, we have asked Dr. Atul Ambekar and Dr. Ravindra Rao not only to discuss the clinical aspects, but also the policies that we can have. Two reasons why I feel that drug addiction is very difficult to eradicate is the social acceptance for drinking and smoking. Today if you see any TV program, you will get that lines, smoking and drinking kills and is injurious. But it's not really making that impact because it's still socially acceptable. You want to serve alcohol, you want to light up at times. So where is the line? It becomes difficult to draw that line between normal and abnormal. And the other area which I feel and I request our speakers to also cover is the criminalization. The reason why it's difficult to control brown sugar and the rave parties, etc., is because there is a criminal aspect which has crept in, which our police force or our government is finding difficult to remove. So 2 areas I request you to also discuss in your policies so that all our professionals who have come here can be enlightened and we can have a complete discussion on how to tackle this problem of addiction and how to manage it. So I welcome all our enlightened speakers. Dr. Avinash D'Souza will also be joining us among the faculty that we have. I welcome Father Pereira. Dr. Macheswala will also be introducing him, and all of you to join in to make this discussion fruitful by making it very interactive also. I'm sure our faculty will be interested in doing that. Dr. Shilpa Adarkar is also a faculty today who's been working in this field for more than 10 years. And her experiences, I think she will need a 3-day workshop to cover all her experiences also. So on behalf of Masina Hospital Department of Psychiatry, Humanities Organization, Bombay Psychiatric Society, and Dependence Free Life Foundation, I welcome you all and enjoy the feast that we have for you, both academic and the dance. Thank you.
We will want to know from our esteemed speakers and this whole workshop whether we have any such pill, and if not, then how can we handle this humongous problem of addiction. So thank you, Dr. Ajita, for those words. I now request Dr. Macheswala to please come here and let us know why he conceived this idea and what was the whole concept behind this program, as well as Dr. Ajita has already welcomed, we have our chief guest, Father Joe Pereira here today. So Dr. Macheswala will also introduce him.